In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page access on Facebook by Meta Business Suite. Managing who can do what on your Facebook page is really important, especially if you work with a team, an agency, or different collaborators. Meta Business Suite is where all of that page access is controlled. So I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what everything means, step by step. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that owns or manages the page you want to adjust. If you manage multiple pages, double check at the top that you've selected the right one, because the access you're about to change will only apply to the page that's currently active. Once Meta Business Suite is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with a number of options. Find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where Meta keeps most of the controls for your business assets, including pages, ad accounts, and people. Inside Settings, you'll see different sections grouped by what they manage. Look for the section called Accounts. Under this Accounts section, click on Pages. This is the area where you can see all the Facebook pages that are connected to your business in Meta Business Suite. You'll now see a list of pages, and depending on your setup, the people who have access to each one. Find the page you're working on, and then locate the person whose access you want to manage. Next to their name, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open that person's detailed page access settings. Here, you'll see the specific roles and permissions that this person can have for the page. These might include things like publishing content, managing messages and comments, creating ads, or viewing insights. To change what they can do, use the toggles next to each role. Turn a toggle on to give them that type of access, or turn it off to remove it. Take a moment to think about what they actually need for their job. Giving only the necessary access helps keep your page secure. Once you're satisfied with the changes, scroll down if needed and click on Save. This step is crucial because your changes won't take effect until you save them. After you click Save, Meta Business Suite will update that person's page access based on your selections. And that's it. You've successfully changed page access on Facebook using Meta